everyone. Good afternoon. So, can everyone hear me properly before we start? Hi, Ate Carla. I miss you. Mwah. Kisses to you and your beautiful soul. So, can everyone hear me? Fine? Okay. Yay. Hi, Tita Chicky. Okay. So, I decided to go live this afternoon. Okay, before we start. Who am I saying hi to? Where are you tuning in from? I would love to know where you're from, where you are right now. Wow, we have someone from Tanzania. Hello. I am currently here in Mandaluyong, in my house. Wow, thank you, Tita. Nag-enjoy kami riding the bike and just riding the motorcycle in Siargao, the breeze, the sunlight. It was amazing. Amazing wedding of Angelica and Greg. So beautiful. Sobrang chill. Everyone was just good vibes. So, ang saya. I love Siargao and I love Sunlight. Sunlight Air, sila ang nagpalipad sa amin papuntang Siargao. And if you wanna fly from Clark, meron na. So you can fly from Clark direct to Siargao. And that's the route that we took. So you can definitely fly to Siargao from Clark. So we have people tuning in from Bulacan, Bicol, Batangas, Luxembourg, Cebu, UK, New Zealand, LA, Lower Abra, CDO, Quezon Province, Iloilo, wow, Ilocos Sur, Baguio. Ang sarap mag-Baguio ngayon. Should we do a Meditate with Maxine event in Baguio? What do you guys think? So we have Dubai, Jensan, Laguna, Tagaytay, UAE. Okay. Nice! Okay, so thank you so much for joining this live. I'm very excited to share that I have an upcoming meditation challenge. So last year, we did the whole month of May meditation, where we meditated together on Zoom every day from May 1 to 31 at 8 a.m. And the meditation is only 15 minutes long per day. Excuse me. So, every day, May 1 to 31, we are going to be having our daily meditation challenge. Meditate with Maxine in May, which is what we did last year, because May is actually Mental Health Awareness Month. That's right. Mental Health Awareness Month. And the reason why I did this challenge last year, Zane is one of our sweet souls. She joined the challenge last year, and most of them really felt the benefits of a daily practice. So, if you would like to experience meditating every day with our community on Zoom every morning, so every morning you can log in at 7:30, starting at 7:30, and then the class will start at 8, and then it will end at around 8:15. So it's just going to be that quick every morning. It's a daily meditation. And then on the last day, May 31, it's a Friday, we will see each other in person. It's going to be a face-to-face morning meditation. So, if you would like to join, our registration opens today all the way until next week. We will have only 7 days. Only 7 days to accept participants. And last year, we did this challenge for free. But this year, we are going to challenge you to invest your money because this is what's going to give you more value into what you're doing. When you pay for it, when you invest in it, it means that you're investing in yourself. It means that you're investing in your healing. So if you would like to join us for the whole month, the monthly package rate is 3,333 pesos. But if you would like to join just per day, it's going to be 111 per day if you would like to drop in. So it's either you get the whole month 3,333 or 111 per class per day. And then we will be, if you register and join, we will add you to a Telegram group where we will be sending the link daily. So if you would like to join our daily meditation challenge this May, it starts on May 1, which is a Wednesday, and then it ends on May 31, which is a Friday. Please, please, please send us a DM at Meditate with Maxine, and we will assist you. We will send you maybe just a link where you can register. But that's why I went live, para ma-invite ko kayo to join us in this daily meditation challenge. So it's going to be every day, and I encourage you. I really encourage you to try meditation every day and see the benefits and the effects of what it's going to be for your mental health. So please, please join us if you wish. We would love to have you with us in our community. Our intention in Meditate with Maxine is to help you become your most authentic self. We want you to heal. We encourage you to bloom and blossom and unlearn all the things that are no longer serving you. All your old habits, your old beliefs, old energy. So that's what we're doing in this community. We are clearing old energy to make space for new, abundant, peaceful energy. So if you would like to join us, send us a DM at Meditate with Maxine. Also, I have 4 more online classes this week. 4 more classes. This is called How to Deal with Anger. This is my series for this month. So we already had 1 round 2 weeks ago, and we're repeating it this week because a lot of people want to know how can they deal with their anger. So if you would like to join, send us a DM at Meditate with Maxine, and we will help you register for the classes. 1 class is 555, but if you would like to get all classes, you can get 3 for 15, or you can get just 1 class for 555. So send us a DM at Meditate with Maxine, and I'm looking forward to meditating with you and to helping you feel more of who you really are. Because I really believe that we all can be the best versions of ourselves, but we have to want it. We have to do the work to grow, to heal. You know, I used to have a lot of immature energy before, but now that I've been doing this work of healing, I can feel myself growing, evolving, maturing. I still have my moments, don't get me wrong. I still have my days when I just don't feel like I wanna be an adult. I just wanna be a little kid eating ice cream. And it's okay to have those days as well. So if you would like to join our upcoming daily meditation challenge in May, send us a DM at Meditate with Maxine, and then we will help you register. 3,333 for the whole month, or 111 per class if you would just like to drop in per day. So, yay! Boho Ceci says she's excited to join. Yay! I'm excited to have you. We're excited to welcome you into our community. So, please invite your friends, whoever wants. This is for Mental Health Awareness Month. So, the topic for this meditation series is all about our mental health. So, join us. Meditate with Maxine in May. 3,333 for the whole month, or 111 for just a drop-in per day. So, send us a DM at Meditate with Maxine. And if you would like to join our series this week, it starts, the first day was yesterday, today is the second day. It's every day at 6 p.m. all the way until Friday, 6 p.m. Manila time. So, you still have a little bit of time to register if you would like to join. Just send us a DM at Meditate with Maxine. So, how to deal with anger, that's my series for this week. But for May, which is going to start on May 1, Meditate with Maxine in May, this is going to be every day. Every day, make a promise to yourself to show up, to do the work, to be brave enough to really face your feelings, your pain, your happiness, your gratitude, everything. Feel all your emotions. So join us every day if you would like. Meditate with Maxine. Thank you so much for joining this live. And just stay tuned for more of our announcements. And I send you all my love.